How to change your phone number on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can change your phone number on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the TikTok application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. So first of all, what you have to do is just tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile icon, tap on the three lines on the top right hand side, and once you tap on the three lines, go ahead and select the option that says Settings and Privacy. Once you select Settings and Privacy, go to the option called Account at the top. Once you go to Account, you can go to Account Information, and once you go to Account Information, you can see that we have added our current phone number. And in order to change this number, just tap on it and you'll find the option to change phone or unlink phone. So in order to change the phone number, tap on Change. It will ask us to verify the identity. Either you need to have access to this phone number in order to change it, and you can use the OTP code, or else you can use the password. But in this case, I'll just use a password. You can also use your phone number, and just go ahead and then enter your password over here. Once you enter your password, as you can see, it says me to enter my new phone number. So just go ahead and then enter the new number that you would like to use. Once you enter the new number that you want to use, just tap on the send code button which you see. As you tap on the send code button, in my case this phone number is already taken, but if it's not taken in yours, then you can just go ahead and then enter the new number and then reconfirm with the password again or the via OTP code, and you'll have successfully changed your phone number on TikTok. And this is how you can change your phone number on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.